Hello, I'm Los Angeles Realtor Rivas, and I'm here in the historic neighborhood known as Bungalow Heaven in Pasadena, California. Today we're going to take a tour of my latest listing located at 758 North Michigan Avenue. Like many of the properties in Bungalow Heaven, this charming home is a Craftsman bungalow built in the early 1900s. Let's go take a look. Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you would like additional information on this listing or to search for other homes for sale in the LA area, you can visit our website at ramiroanderica.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can take a tour of our other listings and to see all the fun things that are to do in Southern California.